G'day, it's Robbie again. Well, you've all seen my magic old ute, the old rusty, trusty Tartar. And I went down to buy a salt and pepper shaker this morning. Well, a pepper shaker actually, the one we got broke. And coming back, guess what I picked up off the side of the road? Yeah, you can just see it sneaking on the side of the tray there. We'll go down and have a look. Check this out, guys. How would you be, eh? Another mulcher, but this one's free. Didn't cost me a cracker. The guy even helped me put it on the back of the ute. It's a Rover. It's a very neglected Rover. 5 horsepower motor. Rusty, been standing outside, seized up. And I said, why did it seize up? And he said, his grandfather left it outside and the rain got on it and it's locked up, so it hasn't run out of oil. It's just basically seized internally from corrosion, I'd say. But overall, I've seen worse things. So we can get it going. Who knows, I might find a home for it. I don't want it, need it, because I've got that great big one I paid $70 for. But you got to admit, it's pretty good for free, isn't it? Pretty damn good. This is where having the old ute is so handy. Drive down the road, you see this stuff, you just toss it on the back. Old fridges, taking down the scrap man. Motors. Over the years I've just collected so much stuff from roadside trash. And in this case I asked the guy if I could have it, and he said, yep, no problem. And yeah, it was too heavy for me to lift, so he even helped me put it on the old back of the old truck. Magic. Well, there she is. Who knows? Who knows what lies ahead? So, that's another project to have a close look at. See what we can do with the old girl. So, until next time, that's it from me. You've got to say that Christmas has come early. Earlier than normal for me. Definitely worth a beer. Okay, that's it from me. See you next time. Cheers.